Yo, this is your boy, Pope Tech TV. This is a newly welcome channel from Ghana that is here to offer all viewers and subscribers online money making. And this channel here is available in YouTube. Anywhere you are, go to YouTube and search for Gaddafi Tech TV and make your money online right here and wherever you are. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell to wait for the upcoming videos. Anytime that a video is being uploaded, you'll be notified. Please be onto this channel all time and always monitor your notification and on your data to receive videos every day in and out. And we promise to give our viewers and subscribers online money, technology, internet, blogging, websiting, photographing, photo shooting, video shooting, everything about the internet and anything worrying concerning about the both theoretical and practical technology that you are having problem in and you want to solve. So if you are an advertiser or you have your company that you want to advertise of, you can hit up on the section. Thank you.